Lincoln, what do you think of your new puppy? Huh? What do you think of your new puppy? Your pillow pet. From Aunt Mary Lou. She loves you so much. Puppy kisses. Puppy kisses. Go. It's kissing you like Scooby does. It's going. Yeah. Do you like it? I think you do. Yes, you do. What do you say? We say thank you, Aunt Mary Lou. Thank you, Aunt Mary Lou. We love you. Lincoln. You gonna smile for the? You gonna smile for the camera? Say thank you. There you go. Puppy hugs. Puppy hugs. Lincoln.